I think I'm never going to be a good person, because I grew up with money. Fucked. Huh? I'm going to inherit property. Fucked. I'm waiting for my whole family to die. I want them all to die. I want the house. My father, he has diabetes. Yeah, Every morning I put sugar in his chai. He has no idea. He doesn't know. He thinks it's stevia. He doesn't know. I'm getting the house, man. I don't even want to be a comedian. You guys think this is my dream, passion? No, bro. Time pass, right? I want to be a landlord. That's what I want. I'm just loitering here. Very easy, really, to be good if you're poor. Very hard to be good if you're rich. Because being good if you're, poor is like being faithful if you're ugly, right? Who's gonna fuck you anyway? If you're rich, you can, all these things you can do. You can fund a genocide. Right? Wow, so great. You can fund a genocide. You can go to some other country, steal the president. You can just steal the president of some other country. You can cause to a stock market crash, everything you can do, dude. You can destroy a whole generation of people. Beat a whole nation, right? If you're poor, you can beat your wife. Kids. You can beat your kids also. Of course, kids also. You can molest your nephew. Right? You can. Yeah, you can. That's pretty bad, right? That's pretty bad, right? Molest the nephew, that's pretty bad, right? But if you're rich, you can buy an island. You can buy a whole island and then create a global organization to molest various children, and blackmail other rich people. It's great idea. There's one guy who was rich, who was a good guy. You guys know who I'm talking about? Gautama Buddha. He was a prince. He went outside. What did he see? He saw a dying man. He saw a sick man. He saw a poor, hungry man. You know what he said to the hungry man? He said, "Why don't we meditate? You're hungry? You're hungry? Let's meditate, huh?" Because you know the saying. You guys know the saying. Give a man a fish, feed him for a day, right? Yeah, but teach a man how to meditate. Right? He becomes a sadhu. Now he's a vegetarian. Doesn't even eat fish anymore. Whoa! No need for fish, bro. This Jesus Christ, what is he doing, bro? Multiplying all the fish. Useless guy, bro. His father was a carpenter. Can't even relate to the guy, bro.